Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the way how you can restore your deleted pictures on iPhone. So sometimes we can accidentally deleting the picture without we realize it. So whenever we try to find this picture, it's just disappeared from our folder or albums. So don't be panicked, you can just check into your recent deleted. So open your photos, and then let's say here I'll accidentally deleting this picture, and it could disappear, right? So don't be panicked, you just need to go back, and then you just need to scroll all the way down, and there will be a utilities area or section that could be recently deleted. You just need to tap on it, and you just need to enter the passcode as well as your face just to unlock this folder, and the deleted photos could be there. So if you want to restore this, you just need to tap it and then go click this recover. Go confirm that you want to recover this picture. Then this picture is already moved into the albums where it placed. You see that the picture is already back. So that's for today's tutorial. It's so simple and easy. If you still have some question or you want us to adjust you some tutorial, just tap into the comment section. Don't forget to click the thumbs up button, and we will meet again into other tutorial.